Okay, so it's my lovely new lighting controller. I've wired on the connector so I can test it out. I've read my instructions, which are really comprehensive. Whoops. Really impressed with the fact that they list the options for the patterns and the colours, so you can just refer instead of having to scroll through and remember what they are. I'm going to plug it in and see what happens. Oh, so here we go. You can see that reflected in the table. This red, two LEDs going backwards and forwards. So that's, I guess that's pattern 1. Cylon Eye kit scanner. You can do a demo mode if you hold the shift button while you turn it on, but I thought I'd just have a play myself. Default colour red, that's what we've got, so that's exciting. So let's have a look and see if we press pattern, if we get the next one. Yep, that's Cylon Eye separate, default red. We have a proton pack bar graph. There's 4 of those, so that's the second one. The third one defaults to blue. We can obviously change the colour on any of those. And another one that goes in both directions. Yellow. Rotating 4 reds. Oh yeah, 4 reds flashing along. Daft Punk style. Oh yeah, I wondered what that one was. That's quite fun. Can you see that? Yeah, different colours reflecting along and then going off again. Slide left to right. Okay, expand from middle, expand from edge, police car 1. Yeah, cool. Police car 2. Flashing single colour. Okay. Stars. Oh yeah, subtle. Can we see that? Yeah, they're just sort of sparkling. Excellent. Flame effect. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's sort of like a flickering fire. Some of them are going off occasionally. That's nice. And binary counter. Nope, that's not right. I pressed the wrong one. I pressed pattern. Oh, flashing RGB. I've missed one. That's going through all of them. And then binary counter. Yeah, it's definitely counting binary. That definitely appeals to the nerd in me. I'm not sure that I need to be using that one though. But it's fun that it's there. So we go back to that. Let's try the colour. So we've got 10 colours we can scroll through. And that's the brightness knob. Apparently, if you want to change brightness, you have to hold something when you turn it on, but it defaults to colour. So, yep. That's pink. Orange. Yellow. Yellowish green. Green. Bluish green. Blue. Purple. And white. Yeah, and speed. Ooh, yay, we're whizzing up and down. And if you hold shift, you can go back through these. So if I go slowly again. Amazing. Yeah. Default setting. Oh, default setting is 10, so I can slow this right down. Oh yeah, it's really slow now. Well, that's really nice. Excellent. I'm really impressed with that. So you can do a factory reset, all the settings store in memory, so presumably if I unplug it and plug it back in, I get the same thing. I do. I get slow lights flicking along. Well, I'm really impressed with this. I now need to install it into something and use it.